Hi, please guess why I am here. Yes, I want to show you our big Android screen in the meeting room. Please follow me. We produce many kinds of Android player. Please have a look. This is 20.3-inch player. It is thin. You can compare with the phones. It is full-fit QLED touchscreen, 2.5D size. If Ben's player comes with the silver edge design, see the video. The resolution is 1920 part 720 high definition. This is 8-inch special car model device. The resolution is 1280 part 720 QLED touchscreen. See the icon printed in the buttons. The workmanship is really fine. It has many UI themes to its strength. Please have a look. We have many kinds of main device. This one is 4Q series host. It is 9.5-inch. The resolution is 2000 part 1200. It comes with the DTS sound. If you are interested in our Android player, want to modify your original card, please contact with us. Below is our Alibaba link.